Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan guacamole. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. So let's start. Firstly, we have to peel an avocado and put it in a chopper. Next is an onion, of course also peeled. Now we add cold pressed oil. I will use linseed oil. And now it's time for lemon or lime juice and natural apple vinegar. Vinegar without any additives won't be as clear as the one from the shop. We also add some spices: rock salt, black pepper and coriander. At the end, we add soaked sunflower seeds. Seeds should soak for at least 5-6 hours to get rid of phytic acid. All the links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We put guacamole in, for example, a bowl, and we can eat it with a raw vegan bread. Bon appetit!